Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to add transitions to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, this is the video clip I have on the timeline. So I'm going to cut it first using razor tool, or we can use C button in the keyboard for shortcut. So I'm going to cut this first. Super cool. Here I'm going to add the transitions. So selecting this selection tool, click on the clips and you can see this drag symbol and then right click. And you can update default transitions here. Super cool. Transitions is added successfully. One more time, I'm going to add another one. So first I need to cut it. So I'm going to cut this. Selection tool. Right click and update transitions. Okay. If the arrow mark is in left side right, then the transition will be applied to the left clip. And I'm going to move it to right side. You can see the arrow now with right side. So the transitions will be applied to right side clips. I'm going to add another transitions as well. So I'm going to cut it. Okay. And going to effect, go to effect tab. And here just type transitions. So you can use all these transitions here, default transitions. Now I'm going to apply this additive dissolve. Just click and drag it here. So in the middle of the clips. So now I'm going to play this. Super cool. Transition was successfully applied. So even right, I'm going to apply for another one. Cutting this video clip. So here I'm going to apply this cube spin. I'm going to play it now. Super cool. So transition was applied successfully. You can apply default transitions or you can add it from the effect. And if you want to remove it, right? If you want to remove it, just to maximize it, you can see the transitions here and right click and clear. So that's it, friends. So this is the way you can add or remove transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.